This guy has made over $2,000 with the strategy that I'm going to share with you on this video. Now, the best part about this strategy is that you don't need to have any social media following. You don't need to have any website or even invest anything. It's just using Facebook and AI tool I'm going to be sharing on this video. So I'm going to show you everything he did so that you too can start earning this money as fast as you can. For step number one, you're going to pick a niche. Now, you don't need to overthink this. You can use the service of ChatGPT to help you come up with niche that you can choose, or if you have anything that interests you the most, you can use that to make money. Now, assuming we chose the weight loss niche and I come to ChatGPT and ask it this prompt to give me a video suggestion for YouTube short about weight loss. Now, this is YouTube short because that is the option you're going to be seeing on InVideo. So once that is done, you ask it to generate. So ChatGPT has finished generating the content. All I have to do is just to copy the title, and then you go over to this AI tool that is called invideo.com. Now, this AI tool is so powerful because it's going to generate the script, the video, everything you need. All you just have to do is just give it an instruction. Now, here we're going to choose the gender. I can say a male, and any voice, a clear American, add subtitle, yes, and I don't want any stock image, so I can say don't use stock title. So now once that is done, I'll add the title of the video I want it to generate and hit continue. So when this opens, you click weight loss seekers, minimalist model, and then for here you click YouTube short. Afterwards, you click continue. So the video is done, and here is what it came up with.
Ever wonder how to shed some pounds quickly and effectively? Here are 5 proven tips in under 60 seconds.
So now this is it, and we're going to just export this and have it in our system. You go to facebook.com and create a page where you're going to be using to make money with the strategies we're going to be sharing. Now, for setting up your Facebook account, you don't need to overthink it. You can use stock images from pixels.com, where you can get free stock images that you can use to create your Facebook page depending on the niche you have picked and the topic you want to be talking about on the page. Now, for the next step, I have a video here that shows you how you can use already made digital products to make money and how you can customize it. You might want to check that video out, because for those that don't know, PLR are already made digital products that you can sell. Because people have already made it, you can just customize it and sell it and use it to make money. Once you have finished watching that video, you will have a better understanding of how you can actually make money with those PLR products. And once you have that, you can upload it on any website that can host it for you. Now, that video I introduced Payhip. You can use any website of your choice. And once you have created an account and uploaded your book, what you have to do is copy the link that the website has generated for you. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, please take your time out, like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on anyone. I really appreciate you. Once you have created your page and you have your video, the next thing is to upload it. And to do that, you click here where it says add video. Once you have finished uploading your video, when you write your title, you're going to add your link, the link to the PRL product you have produced, and add this also to the comment section so that once people view your Facebook, they can easily click this link and go and make purchase. That is basically how you're going to make money off of this strategy. Facebook algorithm has a great way of moving videos forward such that your videos can easily get viral once you have uploaded it, and once people see it, they can click and make purchase, and then you make money. And you will be uploading videos like 3 to 5 times in a day. And there are other measures you can take, like following pages that do similar things as yours, so that the algorithm can easily pick yours and keep sharing it by the time you make posts on Facebook. That is how you can easily make money without waiting for Facebook to monetize your page. If this video was helpful, please take a time out, like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any part. Now, if you're looking for realistic and fast ways to make money this season, you might want to check out this video. Or if you want to make money by just uploading files, Google Documents, you might also want to watch this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.